Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the currency for Bitget. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to change the currency. At the top right next to your profile picture, you will see these three lines. Click on it right now. And once you do, these things will open up. From here, as you can see, here's notification. You can download the app from right here. And as such, you can also change the interface language from right here. But currently, we are only gonna focus on how to change the currency. Right here, you can see the dollar icon right here. Click on it. And as such, you can select the currency of your choice. Let's say I select this one. And that is it. Your currency has been changed for your Bitget account. That's the gist of it. That's how easily you can change the currency. That's about it, guys. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.